Hello guys and welcome back to another crypto update. So Bitcoin is bearish, but it's not the end yet. There's still one thing that is making me hope for a possible bounce. So let's dive in. On the 12-hour chart on Bitcoin, we still have this broadening wedge, which could result in a reversal pattern. Could result something like this and breaking here to the upside. As you can see, also we have bullish divergence. We have a low, a lower low, and a lower low, while here a high, a higher low, sorry, a low, a higher low, and a possible higher low. So if we manage, like we are currently seeing on the 1-hour chart, a bounce from this area, it would mean that we could possibly go retest this area of the broadening wedge, which would be around 42 to 43k, maybe something like that. But this is still speculation. For now, we have this formation that is currently forming. We have already 3 touch points on the downside and 2 on the upside, so it is a legit pattern, but we could go straight down and break it like it's nothing. But for now, given that on the 12-hour chart we've been a little bit oversold, and even on the smaller time frames, I think we could possibly have a bounce there. In fact, I searched for a possible bounce on altcoins, because altcoins, we know that when they bounce a little bit better than Bitcoin. And I found that IOTX is at an excellent position. IOTX is at this support area, which has been holding us for quite some time now. Okay, so I entered a long trade, which is 1 to 1.35 risk reward ratio, and I am aiming for this resistance area here. Of course, if I see a daily close below this blue line at 0.066, it would mean that the support has failed and I would manually close it before we reach the stop loss. But for now, I think we'll get a decent bounce from here, and we have a good chance that we might be profitable in this area. Another altcoin I wish to update is MBOX. MBOX, as I previously said yesterday, we were trading in a very dangerous area and we lost our main support here, which was about 230 to 250 channel. So my possible scenario now that I'm looking at is a retest at this area of about $2, which is a possible bear flag on the MBOX chart. Okay, so we would have maybe a bounce there if Bitcoin goes up. So for now, we'll leave it at like that. Of course, there's nothing much to say. We'll have to see Bitcoin what it does. It's useless to make predictions on altcoins for now. So I'll keep you updated once we get a bounce from Bitcoin or we break down. In case we break down that broadening wedge, I will completely flip bearish on Bitcoin and will of course start to trade shorting the market instead of longing it. For now, we'll still longing it, sometimes we short, but once we break that line, it's completely bearish. Okay, so see you tomorrow for another update.